Creating a robust business plan is one of the most important steps for any aspiring entrepreneur or established business owner looking to launch a new venture or scale operations. A well-constructed business plan not only acts as a roadmap to guide your efforts, but also serves as a tool to secure funding and attract stakeholders. Here's a step-by-step guide to building a strong business plan from scratch. A brief description of your product or service, your target market, your unique selling proposition, USP, financial highlights, if applicable. The purpose of the plan, e.g., securing funding, strategic guidance. Keep it clear and compelling, as it's the first thing investors or stakeholders will read. 2. Business description and vision. Provide detailed information about your business. Mission statement. What is your business's purpose? Company background. Include your business's history, if any. Business model. Describe how your business will generate revenue. Industry analysis. Discuss current trends and insights in your industry. Define the problem you're solving and how your solution stands out in the market. 3. Market analysis. Understanding your market is crucial. Conduct thorough research to present. Target market. Define your ideal customer and their demographics. Market needs. What demand exists for your product or service? Competitor analysis. Identify your competitors, their strengths, weaknesses, and your competitive advantage. Market trends. Highlight trends that can influence your market. Use data and statistics to back up your claims and projections. 4. Organization and management structure. Describe how your business is organized and introduce your team. Include legal structure. Is your business a sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, or corporation? Management team. Provide bios and roles of key team members. Advisors or board members. If applicable, include details about your advisory team. Organizational chart. Visually represent your structure for clarity. Highlight the experience and expertise of your team to instill confidence in your plan. 5. Products or services offered. Detail your offerings with a focus on value. Description. What are you selling? Unique features. How is it different from competitors? Life cycle. Describe the life cycle of your product or service. R&D and future plans. If applicable, mention ongoing or future development plans. 6. Marketing and sales strategy. Define how you will attract and retain customers. Positioning. How do you want your product or service to be perceived? Pricing strategy. Detail your pricing model. Promotion and advertising. Outline your marketing campaigns and channels. Sales strategy. Explain your sales approach, including processes and tools. Include a timeline for launching marketing initiatives and hitting sales goals. 7. Operational plan. Explain how your business will run day to day. Location. Physical or virtual location details. Suppliers. Identify key suppliers and partnerships. Technology and equipment. Specify tools and technologies you'll use. Processes. Describe workflow processes for production and service delivery. Demonstrating operational efficiency can reassure stakeholders of your readiness. 8. Financial plan. A strong financial plan is essential for securing funding and monitoring success. Include startup costs. Detail initial costs. Revenue model. Explain how you'll make money. Financial projections. Provide income statements, cash flow projections, and balance sheets for 3 to 5 years. Break-even analysis. Show when you expect to become profitable. Funding requirements. If seeking investment, specify how much you need and how it will be used. Use realistic assumptions and back them with data. 9. Appendices and supporting information. Provide additional documents to strengthen your plan, such as resumes of team members, market research data, product designs or prototypes, legal documents, customer testimonials or letters of intent. Ensure this section is well organized and easy to navigate. Now that you know the basic components, it's time to put pen to paper or fingers to keyboard and start drafting your business plan. Good luck and happy planning.